completely love and accept myself dearly. Even though I have this wheezing, and it almost sounds like an effort, I deeply and completely love and accept myself dearly. Even though I have this wheezing, I deeply and completely love and accept myself dearly. This wheezing of mine, it's an effort. This wheezing of mine, this wheezing of mine, all this phlegm on my lungs, this wheezing of mine, this wheezing of mine. Why do I have all these phlegm? This wheezing of mine. I need to get rid of all the phlegm. I need the wheezing to subside. I need this wheezing to stop. This wheezing of mine. All this phlegm. I need this wheezing to stop. I need this wheezing to stop. This wheezing. These lungs of mine. These lungs. These wonderful, beautiful lungs of mine. These wonderful, beautiful lungs of mine. I love life. I love to take in each breath, and I lovingly accept it. I lovingly accept each breath I take, and I appreciate it. I appreciate each breath of life. I appreciate each breath of life. I let go of all of these fears of life. These fears of life. These fears of life. I take in each breath lovingly. I take in each breath lovingly. All these flames subside. The wheezing will subside. Eventually. This wheezing. I take in life with peace and calm. I take in life lovingly. Each breath I take in life. Deep breath in. eyes again. The eyes are much better. Eyes are much better.